Hello friends, welcome back to another video. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobile's RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix battery drain issue on iPhone after iOS 17 update. Without wasting your time, let's start the video. Before start the video, firstly you should subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest tech videos. If you are facing this issue, battery draining issue after update iOS 17, so don't you worry. I will give you some tips to fix battery life on iOS 17. Number one is force restart your iPhone and fix your problem. If a simple restart does not fix the iOS 17 beta battery drain issue, perform a force restart. Force restarting your device can clear errors and fix iOS 17 battery drain issue. To do this, follow the steps below. Simply press and release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, and press power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, simply release the button and fix your problem. And number second is turn off auto brightness on your iPhone. Tap on settings, tap on accessibility, tap on display and brightness, little bit scroll up, turn off auto brightness and fix your problem. Number third is delete battery draining apps. Both inbuilt and third-party iOS apps are prone to acting up on iOS beta software, and there's a good chance when they are the source of your problem. Your iPhone has a built-in tool that lets you uncover exactly which apps are draining your battery life. Go to the settings app, select battery and then wait for the page load. Simply select battery and wait for the page load. Tap on the last 10 days option, which reveals battery usage for different apps from the past week and a half. If you scroll down, you can see appears on screen. If you scroll down, you can see the apps that have used the majority of your battery life in percentage from. So if an app has 20% next to it, that means it hooved up to a fifth of all battery life used in the past 10 days. You can also toggle it to show their listed items by activity. Keep them ordered by battery usage. So if you have spent very little time on an app but it's high on the list for usage, that means it's battery killer. This section also split up the time that the app was running in the background. Watch out for apps that use lots of battery and rack up lots of background usage time. They are practically bad for your battery life. Simply, number 3 is turn off location services. Tap on the settings app, little bit scroll up to find privacy and security. You can see appears on screen location services. Toggle turn off and fix your battery drain issue. Location services is another notorious power hungry features that requires better management, otherwise it can cause unexpected battery drains on your iOS 17 device. To me, the best way to handle GPS tracking is to allow only specific app to use your location data, and that too on your own conditions. Moreover, make sure to let apps access your location only when you are using the app. or every single time location access is required. Turn off location and fix your problem. Number 5 is disable unnecessary push notifications. Simply go to the settings, tap on notifications, tap on the name and disable allow notification or switch to a less intrusive form of notifications such a badge app icon like simply FaceTime. Turn off notification and fix your problem. Number 6 is always choose Wi-Fi or cellular. Many people and even Apple claim that using Wi-Fi for wireless is that consumes less battery than using the cellular signal. So you should use Wi-Fi whenever you can. However, our testing found that this is not always the case. For example, when we tested in a location where both Wi-Fi and LTE or 5G signals were strong on an iPhone, an hour of browsing over Wi-Fi used roughly the same amount of the battery power as an hour using LTE. When you will see differences in areas where LTE coverage is poor. As we explained above, your phone uses significantly more power when trying to find and connect to a weak signal. So if you are in the location where the Wi-Fi signal is bad but you have a good cellular signal, so your phone is regularly switching between the two, disabling Wi-Fi and forcing your phone to use just cellular data will likely conserve battery power. Conversely, if your iPhone is struggling to get a good cellular signal, try finding an accessible Wi-Fi network at a coffee shop or restaurant, for example, to use. You will see the biggest impact of the using cellular data when your phone has to switch between cellular towers in a continuous search for a good signals. That said, in situations where you roaming on cellular data, you likely won't have the option to use Wi-Fi unless, for example, you are on a train that offers Wi-Fi. So your only real option that is not to use cellular data at all, which might be inconvenient but will conserve a lot of battery power. Number 7, install the latest iOS version. Apple will released new iOS 17 beta software. While the company may not call out battery life fixes in these change log, new beta software always has the potential to help alleviate these problems. If your iPhone is running old iOS 17 beta software, try moving to the latest. Simply tap on the settings, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, simply download and install the update and fix your problem. If solution, after applying solution number 7, now applying the solution number 8. Solution number 8 is turn off auto background apps. Tap on the settings, tap on general, tap on background app refresh, tap on it off and fix your problem. Applying solution number 9, adjust auto lock and turn off release raise to wake. Simply tap on settings, tap on display and brightness, tap on auto lock, select 30 seconds, go back, rise to wake, turn off. Number 10 is use dark mode. I am already enable the dark mode. If you don't enable the dark mode, simply turn on dark mode and turn off true tone. Solution number 11, enable low power mode. Tap on settings, tap on battery, enable low power mode, continue. And solution number 12, enable reduce motion of interference. Tap on accessibility, little bit scroll up, tap on general, tap on accessibility, tap on motion. You can see turn on reduce motion. Applying solution number 13, turn off automatic download updates. And solution number 14 is update apps to the fix iOS 17 battery drain. Solution number 18, turn off screen time. Tap on settings, tap on screen time, little bit scroll up, turn off, enter your password, turn off screen times and fix. Solution number 19 is reset all settings. Tap on general, tap on general, little bit scroll up, transfer or reset, reset network settings, enter iPhone passcode, reset network settings to confirm this action. After reset your network settings, applying the solution number 20, reset all settings. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix battery drain issue on iOS 17 with 20 best steps. That's it. If video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more latest tech videos. Thanks for watching.